Better go for it, Sudhir. Because still we are in zero account, still I think we are above 5 points. In zero also we are placing 400 points, right, Sudhir? 400 means 5 points above we are in. All these are we are placing. This is the angel broking account where I place 400 account. This is zero. The in all today also I placed it in 4 to 5 accounts, but in all 5 accounts, 4 to 5 accounts I placed only 400 quantity. Same quantity I am placing in all the accounts. This is zero. The as of now I placed 400 quantity. 400 into 5. 2K means 5 points we are placing zero. The yes, yes. Yeah, yeah, as I said yesterday, I placing in different accounts with different strategies. Based on the strategies, the companies executed in zero account. I think 4 to 5 companies executed based on this. What I follow the that strategy. So in angel broking, I followed in different strategy. Based on that strategy, in angel broking, three companies executed. So based on the strategy and based on the prices which I have placed, so that number of executed, it's depending on the strategy and the prices. I'm refreshing again actually two for. Yeah, this is the angel broking where I faced 8 to 9 companies with different strategy. Here top left side you can see my client ID and login details. This is Sharekhan account. Only one company executed in Sharekhan out of 9 companies. Here you can see my client ID 2177850 and my name also. This is Ellis Blue account where only 2 companies executed out of 9 companies. My client ID 191910. Canara Bank Petronet is executed here. Petronet gives 1K above. Yeah, already yes, Petronet take with 233.40. Sandeep, you asked me previous. The other reason I am showing that placing order at what price, so what I have taken. This is Upstocks account. Here also Petronet Canara Bank executed. Here my client ID JS6330 at top. Here also 1K profit, have a profit. Actually today is market is not good. The other reason only 1K, 2K profits are there. Actually today I am expecting 40 to 50 points, but based on the market, I think here you can see Nifty as of now in 10 points less. Sensex is about near to 30 points above. Yes, this is in broking. Here you can see all my 5 accounts while I am swapping from one to another one. Once again. No, no, Amar, actually, I am not going to take any sessions as of now. Give me 2 months time. Thereafter, I am planning to start one batch. Yeah, I got some comments when I started. So give me 2 months time. I am planning for start within 2 months for new batch. Then you can. No, 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 no. I am not expecting any fees from anyone because I don't want to take fees. I am in interest to share the knowledge to other people. The other reason I am start the batch. That's it. I don't take even 1 rupee also to share the concept. Don't think so. For my passion, I am trying to share the knowledge. That's it. I don't take any fees or anything else. As of now in Zerodha, we are in near to 6 points above. Actually, I thought 40 to 50 points today I'm expecting, but market small volatility. I think it's better to 25 to 30 points. Better to close at close between 25 to 30 points. More than that, today actually I just wanted to keep 500 to 600 quantity, but I placed only 400 quantity. 400 quantity means 25 to 30 points means nearly 10 to 12 in between. Better to close. Today, better to quit with small profits because market volatility is unpredictable. 1 month back, easily we can predict the market how it is going to be. But as for last 20 to 25 days, we can't predictable. Sometimes our strategy will work out, sometimes strategy is not work out. That's the reason I am following different strategies with the different accounts. If any strategy fail, another strategy will be safe. Luckily, I placed 4 to 5 accounts today. Luckily, in all 5 accounts, I am in with the small profit side. Even of course, it may not be big profit, but with the small. In Jerada, it is I think 2726 profit in angel broking near to about 1000 in eligible also 1500 above. Like the small profits are there. So better don't be greedy. Better. So sure, I will let you know once if I start the batch. I will let you know and I will send you the mail. 100%, 100%. Don't be hesitate. I will send the mail. Already I have all your clients' mail IDs with me. So when I started the batch, immediately I will share the link and. To it means 7 points. In angel broking, we are at as of now 1200 means 4 into 3. 3 points we are in angel broking. Left top here you can see my client ID and date March 23rd. So in Zerodha 7 points, in angel broking 2 to 3 points means 9 to 10 points total. This is Sherkan where only one company executed out of 9 companies. Yeah, you can see observe previously when I saw then 10 points it is positive. As of now it is in 1 point plus. This is my Sherkan account client ID. Also you can see 2177840. Here 2 points are there 10 to 12. This is Upstocks account. Here also we are in 1200 yearly. So 400 here also 3 points. This is Upstocks account. So 12 3 15 points are there out of 4. 15 and eligible is there. This is the eligible. Here also we are at a profit to 2000 means 5 points. 400 into 5. 15 plus 5 20 points we are as of now we are in 25 20 points profits we are 400 into 20 near to 8k. So once 25 to 30 points reach, I just want to scale off because already time is 12 near to 12 morning 9:15 to as of now no movement is there. Here you can see the date and time March 23rd, time 11:48. March 23rd Tuesday. Here you can see while I am swapping from one account to another account, you can see all my accounts. See Nifty is going to minus side and Sensex also going down. Here you can see all my applications, all 5 accounts. This is Zerodha. Yeah, it crossed 3k means near to 8 points. Yeah, Sandeep, yesterday you called me, but I didn't attend the call because I was on the driving. The other reason I didn't attend. Okay, today once session is completed, I will respond you and I will call you. Otherwise, better don't call me, Sandeep. And remaining people also don't call me. Better to send me the message that what time I am free. I will check it out and send you back what you asked me for. Regarding that, I respond you on the through messages or mails. Yeah, in Zerodha we are as of in 8 points plus. Um, voice is not my voice clear? Background noise. No, no, it's not another noise. It's a CNBC TV 18 channel. Always I am watching while I am trading. Yeah, better to watch always CNBC TV 18 channel to get the latest updates. If anything, any issue happen, immediately they will update us. Yeah, still the recording is going on. This is the seventh record from morning onwards. Because while I am recording, some phone calls are coming. The other reason immediately that the recording is closed off. The other reason I kept my mobile in flight mode to not to cut the phone abnormally. Yeah, still Nifty is going down and Sensex also is going down. Okay. Yeah, here also Canada Bank is above 1200 means 3 points. Here nearly 8 points. I think nearly 25 points, about 25 points we are means 425 10k. Yeah, this is Elise Blue left 2380 at yeah, I think my video is cutting off. Top left side you can see 2300. I think my video is interrupting. Here also you can see right top right side 1540 means near to 4 points. 4 and those 6 10 10 8 18 means near to 26 points we are there means 10 5 I think. Once 30 point reach, I just want to close. Again it is going down 8 points, 400 into 832. 8 points we are. In what account I am doing, for every account details I am showing it along with my client ID. Yeah, client ID and that dates also I am showing, and the time and date website also I am refreshing for every 10 minutes to show you that it's alive. Okay. Total 27 points you have. If I get to 2 more points, better to close. Actually, I just wanted to wait up to 40 points. Yesterday, actually, we got 50 points. 400 into 50, the other reason 52 or 54 points. The other reason we are getting 21 place. Today, also, I just wanted to wait up to 40 points, but there is no chance to get that much. Because only 1 to 2 companies executed. In Zero, the only 4 companies executed. In remaining all companies, only 1 company, 2 companies executed. So there is no chance to get 40 points. And market also is moving up and so once 30 points reach, I just want to close. Yeah, if it reaches 4k means 30 points reaches, then I will close the market and I will square up all my positions and will come to WhatsApp within half an hour. Within 5 to 10 minutes I am not able to come today because I have another work, so I need to go out and I will come back within half an hour to 1 hour. I will be on the WhatsApp and I will respond to you today because I need to go out. The other reason with the 30 points I just want to close, otherwise I would have wait up to 40 points. And even though there is no chance to get 40 points today, as per my perception, that's the reason I just want to close with 30 points. Right now, as of it, I think it is in 28 to 29 points. Once the Gerada reaches 4K, then I just want to close. I will be on WhatsApp in within 1 hour, not half an hour, because I just want to go out. Okay, Sandeep, I will respond you at evening today evening. I will respond you. Yeah, I got your point, but I won't take your credentials, your account credentials, and I won't trade in your account. If you want, you can learn the concept. Then you have to trade yourself. Yesterday also I told I won't take any people Demat accounts to trade, and I don't want any profit share. For sharing the knowledge itself, I won't take any. 1 minute, Sandeep. I will talk to you later at evening. I just better it reaches. I just want to close here, and I will be on WhatsApp in 1 hour. Thank you. Thank you so much.